I'm sure you've heard of all the great benefits an ERP system can deliver: increased efficiency and productivity, reduced costs, faster operation times, and detailed analytics. What's alarming is that without an ideal implementation and without the right fit, an ERP system can actually slow down your operations, affect your decisions with unreliable data, and even hurt your company's profit. Just do a quick Google search and you can find tons of cases like these. With 2 decades of experience, we know that traditional approaches aren't good enough to solve these issues. Before cars were invented, people just wanted faster horses. With Just Pro's solutions, you can bridge the gap between ERP systems and day-to-day operations. Our solutions collect data automatically during business transactions. This provides accurate real-time information, hassle-free operations, and no human error, so you can rest assured that you are making fact-based decisions. We understand that implementing ERP systems along with handcrafted tailored solutions that fit like a nice suit is the only way to enjoy the real benefits of digital transformation and thrive in any market. See how we can make your ERP work for you. Visit our website to find out more. Your success, our effort and glory.